Hi everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create a circular bordered image in Canva. So let's get started. So just go to your Canva work area and to the left you will be having design elements, text, brand. So we need to go to elements, and in the elements if you just scroll down, here we'll be having something called as frames. Just select the circular one, or if you want any other frame you can just choose it from this list. I'll just click this frame and the frame just appears inside our image, and you can just resize it and change the position of the frame. So once you're done fixing the frame, just go to your uploads and you're just going to drag and drop the image that you want to have it inside the frame as a circular image. So I just want this image, so I'll just like drag it and I'll just put it here. So here you can see this has like perfectly fit into my circular frame, and if I just move this it will be moving as a singular image. And what if I want to remove this image or frame? So for doing that, just select this and here we'll be having the delete icon. Just click that, and here we are having two options. One is delete image and another one is delete frame. So if I just click on delete image, the image goes and I can just like drag and drop another image. And if I click on delete and if I click delete frame, both the things goes off. So this is basically how you add frames and create circular images in Canva. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of tutorials in Canva and AI as well as programming videos in general. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.